Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make shampoo slime. It's kind of sticky. See, you touch it, your hand's going to be shiny a little, but you can actually even hold it. Look, watch. Ready? See? It's kind of sticky, but if you just want to take it out, just slide it off with your finger and just put it back into the container or the thing that you made it in. See, it comes out quickly. And then if you wash your hands will be super clean because it's shampoo, right? You just clean my hands. So, yeah, let's get right into the video. Play the intro. All the ingredients you will need is a stick and something to stir with, some salt, and you will also need some shampoo. First, you are going to take some salt and put it in. I promise, guys, this is not any borax or anything. You're gonna take your salt, you take a little pinch, and you're gonna put it on top. Take a little bit, another pinch, put it on top, and then you're just going to stir. And see, your slime will quickly start coming together. See how good it's coming out. And by the way, this will be jiggly slime, I'm guessing. I really don't know. And as you can touch, not that sticky. Don't worry about that, that's just the TV. See my TV. Back down. Oops. Camera, don't fall. You're gonna keep mixing until you think it's really good and you can play with it. See? Oops. Camera. Down. See? I'm just watching funny cat stuff, whatever. I just let my TV play while this play on my phone or so. See, and that's it. And that is how you make your shampoo slime. And I think you could hold it on your hand, so let me see. Oops. Sorry. You're gonna take your mixing utensil. And see your jiggly slime. It's kind of sticky, you know, but yeah, it's good. I'm guessing it will turn back to shampoo. I don't know, but you could add. See, it comes out quickly, and when you're gonna wash your hands, you're already gonna have soap on. But yeah, and it comes off quickly. And yeah, so if you think it's not right, you can add more salt. And yeah, so that's how you make your shampoo slime. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe down below, and yeah, so bye.